Hey guys, the Screech is done. It was an easy build, nothing really to say. Again, just to recap what I put in, I put a Foxy, the micro camera, and I put 4-in-1 ESC. I put the F4 on top, and I got the tramp in the back. Probably the most challenging thing is to put your stuff in the back, especially the tramp with the pigtail. I mounted in a way that, yeah, it seems to be pretty stable. It won't go anywhere. Didn't need any zip tie to secure anything. So it's in there, it's not moving. The mount in the back for the antenna is really good. And for the antenna, really good also. So, in a nutshell, the build was easy. It didn't take me very long. And yeah, we're gonna go give it a try. I like the GoPro mount, 35-degree angle. Usually I fly with 25 to 30 degree. We're gonna go give it a try, see what it'll look like, but it should be good. And the DYS 2500 motor. Looking forward to try those. So the weather right now outside is not too bad. I think it's slightly windy, but we're gonna go give it a try and see what it'll look like. Yeah, and the weight of the Screech ready to go without the GoPro was about 353 grams, and I was expecting it to be a bit lighter, which is not a bad weight at all. But I have my the one I built not too long ago, the Martian, the 215, and they're basically about the same weight, which is funny because this one is technically speaking bigger, but yeah, about the same weight. Anyway, we're gonna go give it a try and see what it'll look like. So anyway, if you build one, I don't think you're gonna have any surprise. Everything fit nice and easy, and yeah. Nothing, no caution, nothing, just easy build. And now we're gonna go fly it now. So just to conclude the last two flights here, I just adjusted PID a bit. Nothing crazy, but it seems to be working really good. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time.